closing some panels off. Hey guys, solar panel cleaning friends. Solar Teddy. Oh my gosh. Clean panels. Always clean panels. Just a killer with this thing. Man, I hate these people out on the road. Some of these people are just jerks. I'll tell you what, I've got to pull off right now and get me something to eat. If I don't eat something now, I'm probably gonna kick somebody's ass. That's gonna happen. I wear glasses when I work. That means I got raccoon eyes. I get some food. Go clean some solar panels. Jeez, I got a problem. So, I show up to a customer's house and we got aluminum roofing. I know, everybody talking about aluminum roofing, but I hate aluminum roofing because you don't want to get on top of it, right? Because you bend them, you gotta walk right in the wells. Take a look. So you don't want to get up on there. If you can avoid getting up on aluminum roofs, man, avoid it. If you do though, you want to walk right in between those little middle parts. I got lucky because as I walked here to the side, it's only 10 panels, which is awesome. So as I walked to the side, I saw something that was really cool. Let's take a look at this. Look at that. Here's the solar panels. So I'm doing it right here. Right off this bed. Solar panel cleaning friends, Solar Teddy. You guys know how it's done. Alright, go clean some solar panels. Solar panel cleaning.